I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Hi everyone, my name is Darshika and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another and the last video of Patma series. And in today's video I will be sharing a makeup kit which is perfect for every birthday girl. So basically this video is going to be called as a birthday girl makeup kit. So on my birthday, while I was doing my makeup, it was such a mess in setting out the products and then doing my makeup. And yeah, from there I got the idea of doing this video. So yeah, that's the only reason behind this video. And all the products in this makeup kit are affordable, good quality and are available everywhere. So yeah, this can be also called as a beginner's makeup kit. So yeah, without any more introduction, let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna start with the primer, and for the primer I have two recommendations. Only two, not four. So these two are the Blue Heaven and the Lakme. This retails only for 225 and this retails for something like 700. I don't know the exact price of this one because I got this in a PR package. And yeah, I will drop the link of these two in the description box. And by the way, all the product links will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. And now let's move towards the other product. So the other product is going to be a foundation. And for the foundation, I would recommend only this foundation. This is from Maybelline. You guys know I love this foundation and it's been more than like 3 months since I started my content creator journey. I am using this foundation and I am totally in love with this foundation, and in this my shade is 220 Natural Beige. And the next makeup product of our makeup kit is going to be this compact powder. So you can go for any other compact powders, but I would recommend you go for this one. This is Maybelline's Neo Fit Me compact powder and my shade is Natural Ivory. This retails for 199, but sales keep on coming, so try to pick this up when the sale is going on. So yeah. And in the pressed powders, I would also recommend you go for this Lakme one. This is also a really good compact powder. I have used this for more than a year and this is really a good compact powder. And for the loose powder, I would suggest you go for this Lakme one. This is again a really good loose powder. For some concealers, so for the concealers I have two options. Not only two, I have actually three options, but I have only two of them right now. So this one is from NY Bay. This is NY Bay HD Spotless Liquid Concealer and this retails for only 150 or something like that. And yeah, the second recommendation is this Stay Quirky Hide My Hickey Concealer Minis. It's a bada form आता है and I would say go for that one because इस पे पैसा खर्च करना मतलब बर्बादी है पैसे की. Because I have already talked about this in my earlier video, Purple haul जो मैंने किया था उसमें मैंने इसके बारे में बात की हुई है. And you can invest on this one. This is same Stay Quirky Hide My Hickey Concealer. यही वाला है तो you can go for this one. इस पे मत invest करना I would say. And also the third recommendation for the concealer is Swiss Beauty का concealer. Beauty concealer is again an affordable and amazing concealer and the coverage is so good. You can go for that one if you don't want to invest on these. Now the most important makeup product in the birthday girl makeup kit is going to be this mascara. So mascaras में I have again three recommendations. This one is from Blue Heaven. The second recommendation for the mascara is this Maybelline's New York, the Hyper Curl non-waterproof mascara. I have the waterproof version too. I have already talked about that in the purple haul. So yeah, I will try to add the link of that video in the description box. So and now the next makeup product is going to be these colorful palettes. These are the eyeshadow palettes. Let's talk about these one first. So these are Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palettes and I have two shades of these. This one is 01 and this one is 02, and in 229 you are getting 16 colors. Like it's a really good deal. and yeah, these are super pigmented, not super pigmented, but हाँ you have to build the color, but हाँ काफ़ी अच्छी कवरेज है इनकी and fallout भी ज़्यादा नहीं होता है, so yeah you can definitely invest on these. And the next eyeshadow palette, this one, this was actually a gift from someone special, and this is from this brand NYN Cosmetics. I don't know about this brand, मतलब मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता इसके बारे में, but I want to actually include this palette because this is so beautiful. Like this has this mirror and this has 4 blush and here are the colors. So जितने भी colors हैं इसमें वो सब shimmery है and I absolutely love this black one. This is super pigmented. I don't know if this palette is available on Amazon, Nykaa or anywhere else, but yeah, I really like this palette. And yeah, these are the two compact powders. I think this is the compact powder and this is a sort of a highlighter. Yes, highlighting के shade में है, मतलब थोड़ा सा shimmery है. And this has 4 lip colors जो कि किसी भी काम के नहीं है. This has this eyeshadow brush. इसके साथ एक beauty blender भी था which I keep on using for my concealer. And there's only one reason behind why I am including this makeup kit, because the colors are super pigmented. हाँ fallouts होते हैं, but हाँ you can do your eye makeup before doing your foundation and all your base. Like today I am wearing this black eyeshadow from this palette only, and yeah, these are the recommendation for the eyeshadow palette. For the eyeliners I have again 2 recommendations. So these are going to be from these 2 brands. This one is from Blue Heaven. This is Blue Heaven Long Wear Eyeliner, waterproof and smudge proof, and this retail for something 150 or something like that. And I totally love the tip of this brush. इससे wing बहुत ही सही बनता है, and yeah you can see. And the second recommendation for the eyeliners is from this brand which is Lakme. मेरे ख्याल से ये सबका ही फेवरेट है, so मुझे लगा कि हाँ मुझे इसको इंक्लूड करना ही चाहिए. This comes for 110 rupees. And yeah, and now let's talk about some kajals. And for the kajal I have so many recommendations, not only these 2, but I would highly recommend you to go for these. This is from Maybelline and you can see इसका जो भी branding का name था वो सब erase हो चुका है, so you can guess how much I have used this product. And yeah, I think I have actually used 3 to 4 pens of these. And yeah, this is the black kajal, and for the white kajal I have this NY Makeup kajal, and this retails only for 100 rupees. I got this for 70 rupees because उस time पे sale चल रही थी. And yeah, I have talked about this in my purple haul, so yeah, again you can watch that video. And yeah, other than these kajals I would also suggest you go for the N18 or Blue Heaven or Lakme ka kajal. I have used all of these, and these are again the good and the affordable kajals, and these are very black again. So yeah, you can absolutely go for these 3. Makeup product is going to be this eyelash color. This one is from this brand called TS, and yeah, this is how this works like. This is my first eyelash color and this retails for 200. And yeah, you can go for this one. Most important makeup product in a birthday girl makeup kit is going to be the highlighter. Highlighter, blusher and bronzer तीनों ही एक ही palette में है, and this one is from Makeup Revolution. And yeah, I have the shade C04 and this has the highlighter. This is the perfect highlighter. मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा लिया, but हाँ you can see like this looks pretty. This is not very chunky. And this is the blush. I don't use the blush of this one a lot, but हाँ काफ़ी अच्छा blush है इसका. I use Bliss as a blush, and this is the bronzer, and the bronzer is like, oh my god, I don't know what to say about this bronzer because this is super pigmented. I would suggest you go for this palette. This retails for something like 1000 or something like that. हाँ ये सेल आती जाती रहती है Amazon पे, तो you can get this for 700 or 800. जब भी सेल पे दिखे ले लेना, ज़रूर ले लेना, बिकॉज दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग पैलेट. आपको तीनों ही चीज़ें एक ही पैलेट में मिल रही हैं और इसमें काफ़ी शेड्स आते हैं, 2-3 मेरे ख्याल से शेड आते हैं. And yeah, you can select the shade according to yours. So yeah, should invest on this one. Product is going to be a makeup fixer, and this one is from Blue Heaven. This is Blue Heaven makeup fixer Mist Spray On formula. I use this on a daily basis. And yeah guys, that's all for this video. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed watching it. All the products that I have talked about in this video are really good and affordable, and you can surely invest on these. And I hope you have enjoyed this birth mask series. I have posted back to back 7 videos. I have took gap between, 2 दिन का gap ले लिया था मैंने, but I have tried to post back to back videos, but with this video I am done with the 7 videos, and I will be back with a new video soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that every time I post a new video you get notified, and yeah, we'll meet you soon. Till then, bye.